8:20 on the 12th of August 2024. I'm still awake in the morning. So it's a Monday. Means I survived the weekend. Surprised I'm still alive. Haven't killed myself yet. But that's whatever, I made it. It's the morning now. And this might be my last day at the shop because there's nothing else for me to do at the shop and I'm not really needed anymore. Well, I'll probably get everything finished in like a few hours. And and it's not like I can go back to my normal stable life yet because my security manager still hasn't given me any work, and I've been waiting for a couple of weeks. Hey guys, morning. Yeah, I've been waiting a couple of weeks for the security license. No, I've been waiting 2 months already, more than 2 months. Apparently it's still it's valid now, and they printed it out. Apparently it's coming in the mail. And I already told my security guard work manager that I'm valid. I showed him and he's like, yeah, you're cool. Still hasn't given me work. I don't know, I'm gonna chase him up today because obviously I'm gonna have nothing to do for the rest of the year. And yeah, it's hard to go back to normal routine as well because my shoulder has been pretty hurt for a long while, and so I went to physio recently last week, and the physio advised for about 3 to 4 weeks I not do any pushing exercises or any boxing or combat or anything that's gonna really work my shoulder a lot. So that pretty much eliminates most of the exercises I do. I can still move my lower body and stuff, so I can still, like, I don't know, do the footwork drills and all that, but that means way less time in the gym. So I started reading. They had a book at the shop, and then I just started like flicking through it, and then I don't know, I kind of decided I'm gonna get back into reading books. So yeah, that was nice. I actually spent a lot of yesterday just reading a few chapters and stuff, and I don't know, it's nice to get my head around literature again. I don't know if literature is the right word. Well, it is the correct technical word, but I wouldn't have called this text I wouldn't have put it in the literature category. It's one of them self-help books, but I don't know, it's just nice to read the thoughts of another person. It's been a long time since I've done that. It's been a long time since I've written any works. So yeah, I guess that's a nice positive change that I'm implementing. Yeah, getting back into reading. And who knows, I might get back into writing too. I'm gonna have all this time, it seems, unless my security guard work gets back to me and starts putting me back to work. Other than that, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what to say. I'll come up with more changes of how I'm gonna tune up my life. Because hey, I survived the weekend and I'm still alive. So yeah, signing out.